Hi everyone, my name is Jake with Classic Trim Parts, and today I'll talk about one of the common issues that R129 owners have with their rearview mirrors, and that is either a loose or shaky or rattling rearview mirror, which means either that the mirror itself is separating from the outer frame here, so there may be a gap around the edges, or for example, if you hit a bump in the road or shake the mirror itself, you may hear some sort of metallic or plastic rattling on the inside. So I got some spare parts and I'll show you what's actually happening on the inside. So I have some spare parts here to explain what's happening. I've got the outer frame for the rearview mirror, the mirror itself, as well as this centerpiece, which is the ball joint that the mirror rotates around when you adjust it. And when this part here is loose, the mirror will be loose as well. It won't sit flush with the frame. And how these were designed were with metal clips, and these metal clips slide into the two tabs. There's two on each side, and they secure this centerpiece onto the frame, and your mirror will no longer shake. So when this is in place, the mirror doesn't shake. And what's happening when you hear a rattling on the inside or your mirror is loose from the frame is one of these clips or one of the tabs have broken off, so these clips are no longer working properly. So this part is loose, the mirror is shaky again, and you might even hear the tab rattling around the inside of the mirror. So to solve this, you can purchase a new rear view mirror housing on our website. It's classictrimparts.com, and we sell it in all of the OEM colors. So you can purchase the outer frame as well as this backing piece as a set, and you could just swap your electronics and mirror from your old rearview mirror into the new housing. And we also have these clips on our website if you find out that you need those as well. You could check out our other YouTube video for the tutorial on how to actually complete that process. But I'll throw some links in the description, and thank you for watching.